My name's Mallam and I'm a director at Alliance Investments. As a master agency, we've got sites across the UK, so on the south coast, in London, across most of the key cities in the Midlands and the north. Despite market challenges, we have seen domestic and international investor demand for the northwest, particularly cities like Manchester. Ultimately, the population is rising. The housing supply can't keep up with the demand, which is pushing up house prices and rents, which investors are drawn to. Also, the capital required to invest in the northwest is substantially less than, say, London or other areas of the south, which is appealing to investors, particularly those that are looking to scale up their portfolio.
My name's Steeples and I'm a director at Alliance Investments. We've noticed a major shift as a business with investors prioritising other regional cities outside of London, in particular Manchester. Main reason being London wasn't or isn't as a lucrative option anymore, and for those investors that want to, secure opportunities where they're going to maximise capital growth and yields, they need to look elsewhere, and Manchester's a particularly strong option for that. Many particular reasons, one being the economy. There's 80 out of 100 of the top FTSE companies have a presence in Manchester, so attracting significant talent from other parts of the country. And there's a further 2.6 million square foot planned for commercial space. So again, attracting an even larger talent pool. I think another major point that draws people to invest in Manchester and why it's achieving such high rents follows on from what I said earlier about employment, but it's that really high student retention rate within the city, and also that north shoring effect where people are moving from London, or once they finish university, instead of going straight to London for work, there are other opportunities now. It's a major transport hub with an international airport, 3 major train stations connecting it to the rest of the country, and also it's very commutable for areas just outside of Manchester.
Keeping Manchester as an example, the level of investment, whether that's private or institutional, going to the city is huge, and a lot of that investment is going into substantial regeneration projects. As a business, a key strategy for us is targeting sites within or nearby these regeneration projects, because capital growth and rental yields will substantially increase in these areas, providing better returns for our investors, whether that's in the short, medium or long term. So yes, we believe that these master plans have a key impact on investor demand.
I think we've seen a significant shift, certainly within the younger demographic, of their attitude towards renting. I think it's for a number of reasons, primarily affordability, but also the flexibility that comes with renting, and it's not necessarily now seen as a short-term fix, perhaps in previous generations, but a more permanent arrangement. And I think we see it day in and day out. Our key target market, for tenants is kind of age between mid-20s and mid-30s, and their requirements and needs for location being in central parts of the city, and then the need for amenities on site such as pools, gymnasiums, rooftop gardens, co-working spaces, concierge. Their needs are forever going. And I think certainly with a shift with, perhaps more younger individuals getting to work from home and being a bit more flexible, they require those on-site facilities. And naturally, the younger demographic we see are willing to pay a more premium rent.
Property was not made a budget priority by the Chancellor, but there were some positive signs, one being the reduction of capital gains tax from 28% to 24%. This should stimulate transactional levels and further interest into the northwest market. For the mainstream markets, a general election is not a major consideration. The outcome doesn't have a material impact on whether someone buys or sells a property. And with interest rates falling, cheaper lending should offset any anxiety in potential change in government.